Are you looking for the best espresso machines? In this video we will look at some of the best espresso machines the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rancilio Silvia M. Rancilio Silvia is a Rancilio product. Learn about its features, standard coffee machines, and dosage grinders. It is easy to use, reliable and simple. It also consumes less electricity than any other machine. Suppose you are new and want to make good espresso at home, then you will buy this machine. It has a lot of good features. The Silvia has a steam wand that is regarded as one of the best in its class, with a full range of motion and the ability to adjust steaming pressure in granular increments. The slim silver body fits on most apartment countertops and generates steady water and steam pressure, resulting in consistent, well-extracted cafe-grade espresso. The PID's shot timer is really useful. Silvia's temperature stability delivers rich cream and consistent shot quality every time. Most notably, the machine's inside is devoid of plastic, and it's built like a tank, as evidenced by its weight, 30 pounds. It will last for longer, so your investment in these machines is good. You can buy this from Amazon. Ergonomic portafilter handle same as the proven design of Rancilio commercial machines. Commercial grade group head for superb heat stability and extraction quality. Articulating steam wand offers complete range of motion and professional steaming knob precisely controls steaming pressure. Classic linear design fits most decors. Optional pod and capsule adapter kit available. Number 2. Breville Bambino Plus. It is made up of stainless steel. There is no itching stain of hot water. You can make good coffee at home. You will be impressed by its taste. You will make good coffee with dry milk as well as fluid milk. You will make your coffee within 3 seconds. The espresso settings can be changed for a shorter or longer shot, but the changeable pre-infusion settings are amazing. In our tests, the ability to modify the temperature and texture of the milk while simultaneously automatically steaming delectable microfoam was a big plus. It has a milk pitting, cleaning, and trimming tool with no grinder sound and spots. It holds 64 fluid ounces. You will enjoy your good cup of coffee without having a bad smell. You can buy it from Amazon. The Breville Bambino Plus impressed us in our testing, consistently producing high-quality espresso and offering an excellent automatic milk frother for that extra professional finishing touch. It's difficult to produce a bad coffee from this particular espresso machine, and with a speedy 3-second heat-up time, you'll be enjoying a particularly brewed shot at no time. Dual heating system for home baristas. Different from similar products, the Gadget espresso machine with coffee bean grinder and steam wand offers the true coffee aficionado everything they need to brew the perfect coffees. Your first choice in espresso machines for home use, it also makes a great wedding, birthday, or anniversary. Number 3. Gadget 15-bar espresso machine. This is the best espresso machine. You will enjoy a good coffee at home without going to the shop. It will make coffee within seconds. It can reach 15 bar of pressure. It can make coffee, latte, and cappuccino. The final control over quality is improved by temperature control for frothing in water and a 25-second brewing period after warming. The Gadget has one of the best price-to-performance ratios of any machine we've looked at. If you're on a tight budget and want to create superb espresso at home, this is the way to go. It is made up of metals and solids. It's tough to make a terrible cup of coffee with this espresso machine, and with a 3-second heat-up time, you'll be sipping a deliciously crafted shot in no time. It is easy to manage. You can use it freely at home. You can buy it from Amazon. Number 4. Delonte Stylosa Espresso Machine EC260BK. This is a very espresso machine with a very affordable price. It is made up of stainless steel. Its pressure is 15 bar. You can adjust it in your home. It is easy to use, and you can set it according to your taste. As it's a fully manual machine, you'll have to do all of the grindings, measuring, tamping, and frothing yourself. However, depending on how strong you want your espresso, you may alter the cup size, brew in a travel mug, and create 1 or 2 cups at a time. You can make latte and cappuccino of your taste at home. The stainless steel boiler adds to the machine's durability. The water tank carries almost a quart of water, which is enough to make several cups of espresso, and it can be removed from the machine and reloaded at the sink. It has the capacity of storing 33.8 fluid ounces. You can buy it from Amazon at a very affordable price. Number 5. Breville Barista Pro. This is one of the good machines with so many good features. Breville's thermojet heating system is used in this automatic espresso machine, which is claimed to reach the appropriate heating value in 3 seconds. The Smart Grinder Pro is included with the Barista Pro so that you can grind your favorite fresh beans properly. The Barista Pro grinder offers the exact amount of ground coffee on demand, as determined by display settings. With the immediate transition from espresso to steam, the innovative thermojet heating system provides the appropriate extraction temperature in 3 seconds. Damson Blue, Royal Champagne, and Black Truffle are just a few colors available. It makes coffee very quickly. It is easy to adjustable. This is an advanced machine you can buy from Amazon.